What is ANKR? ANKR is an Ethereum-based token project with a Web3 infrastructure and an interchain staking December platform aimed at increasing efficiency in blockchain ecosystems by creating dApps, hosting nodes or staking. ANKR is designed and developed based on distributed ledger technology, decentralized, more private and secure applications, protocols and systems for users, as well as based on a new vision of the internet. The main idea is to eliminate the need for central authorities and intermediaries by giving ownership and control over data and applications to users and network participants. ANKR, easy and affordable hosting solutions to provide a solution that uses just blocks and the nodes as shared resources, known as the decentralized internet, with the idea of creating an easily accessible platform for the development of Web3. Song by CEO Chandler was founded in November 2017. ANKR is a blockchain-based cross-chain infrastructure with a DeFi platform that provides staking and dApp development. It hosts various protocols related to the development of the dApps and DeFi sector. During its time on the market, ANKR has created a Sunday for carrier-based cloud services using shared resources. This, in turn, provides developers and enterprise customers with the ability to easily deploy blockchain nodes at a much cheaper price compared to public cloud providers. Therefore, hosting blockchain nodes in ANKR eliminates any centralization problems and the only point of failure. With ANKR, public blockchains can be incorporated into communities and provide more assistance to their networks. ANKR aims to create an infrastructure platform and Sunday place for Web3 package distribution in order to enable end users as well as resource providers to connect to blockchain technologies and DeFi applications. Compared to public cloud providers, ANKR's proprietary cloud infrastructure is powered entirely by geographically distributed data centers to increase stability and durability levels while operating independently. ANKR token. ANKR is an Ethereum token that powers ANKR, a Web3 infrastructure and cross-chain staking DeCi platform that aims to make it easy and affordable for anyone to join blockchain ecosystems by creating dApps, hosting nodes or staking. ANKR is the local icon of the network and has multiple utilities that include payments and access to applications distributed on the network, staking and voting on governance proposals. The ANKR token can be used to pay for services on the ANKR platform, such as node deployment and API services, participate in on-chain governance, and also act as an insurance for network participants. The ANKR token can be used to pay for services. The ANKR platform, like node deployment and API services, participates in on-chain governance and also acts as an insurance for network participants. ANKR uses the available computing resources in data centers to help developers and enterprise customers quickly deploy blockchain nodes at a lower cost than public cloud providers. How is ANKR used? ANKR is a utility token with multiple use cases. Staking can be used as a payment method for voting on management proposals and access to services such as dApp and protocol deployment on the ANKR network. ANKR also acts as a reward for shareholders and network participants. While powering the ANKR ecosystem, its main benefit is that the token can be bought and sold on the Crypto Sunday. How much is the ANKR token supply? The maximum supply of ANKR is 10 billion units. ANKR token has a limited supply. This means that new tokens will not be minted after the total supply is exhausted, unless changes are proposed and voted on by the network participants. The limited supply serves as an anti-inflation mechanism, that is, ANKR can be a good store of value in the long run. The amount of supply in circulation is 7,662,899,377 ANKR. The ERC-20 and BEP-2 tokens are used to provide liquidity and trade on exchanges, and a local ANKR token is required to access the functions of the blockchain. It has been named by Capital as one of DEFI's must-watch coins in 2021, along with several different altcoins. Although ANKR is based on the proof-of-work protocol currently used by the Ethereum network, it is not a token that can be mined in the traditional sense. ANKR tokens can be staked on the network, while the staking protocol STKR, as already mentioned, allows staking ETH in exchange for AETH. The NGO is based on the proof-of-stake mechanism and represents the computing power and storage Sunday. Staking ETH and ANKR in the STKR protocol allows users to make a profit based on the validity of staking. Who are the founders of ANKR? The ANKR network was founded in 2017 at the University of Berkeley in California as a distributed computing platform leveraging blockchain technologies. Co-founder Chandler Song worked as an investment banker at Morgan Stanley with fellow co-founder Ryan Fang while serving as CEO following his work as an engineer at Amazon Web Services. Since its inception, ANKR has become a global network of professionals trying to create a functional Web3 infrastructure. Chandler Song introduced Ryan Fang to Bitcoin and blockchain when he was a freshman in 2014 and convinced him to buy 22 Bitcoins together. In 2017, these Bitcoins became the seed that financed the ANKR project. Together, they realized the potential of the cloud computing Sunday as an infrastructure that can drive global innovation and have advanced their work in this direction. This led them on a mission to create a cheaper, decentralized cloud. The ANKR team consists of people from 16 different countries around the world working to decentralize the web and provide easy access to Web3 applications and stake protocols. ANKR currently hosts more than 40 different protocols for development and stake, and continues to grow as a global decentralized network that provides easy access to Web3. ANKR was first hosted on the Ethereum blockchain, and ANKR was launched as an ERC-20 type token, but now local versions of the token BEP2 are also available. In 2019, the ANKR mainnet was released, and in 2020, the team launched a staking protocol called STKR. While the infrastructure of Web3 is growing exponentially, ANKR continues to develop. What is NGO? After releasing the ANKR mainnet in 2019, the developer team behind the ANKR project has launched a staking protocol called STKR. The STKR allows users to stake Ethereum, ETH, in exchange for AETH, which represents future earnings from the invested stake balance. This is how network participants are rewarded for staking through the STKR protocol. In the same way, users can deploy development nodes, create dApps on the network, or deploy betting nodes and enjoy the advantages of staking on the ANKR Web3 platform. What does ANKR promise? The ANKR network was created to provide a new blockchain solution that leverages idle processing power from devices and data centers as a whole. ANKR is a valuable project that completes the staking of ETH 2.0 and ANKR tokens in the DeFi and cloud storage sector. Since ANKR aims to decentralize the internet and provide easy access to Web3 and all related functions, the project is to facilitate functional enterprise solutions, developer APIs, and sharing nodes. It is a platform that provides a sharing economy where any customer can access resources at a more affordable price, and also provides businesses with the ability to monetize unused backup computing power. It is unique in that it is the first formation to use reliable equipment, and therefore provides a high level of security. How does ANKR work? ANKR is a globally distributed company to fulfill its mission of creating and developing the next-generation decentralized internet. ANKR uses DLT-powered computing power to collect data resources distributed to stakers and developers through data centers at lower costs to enable decentralization of applications and stake nodes and to support the Web3 infrastructure. Developers and stakers can easily create and distribute dApps and stake their balances this way. ANKR staking is supported by the STKR protocol, launched in 2020, which supports staking ETH in exchange for ETH. It also represents the value of the staked ETH plus the expected return from the stake balance, creating a highly liquidity system for future stakers of Ethereum 2.0. ANKR aims to support more blockchain protocols as part of its work on the development of Web3, a more private and secure decentralized internet. How is the ANKR network kept safe? ANKR is secured by the use of computing power, which distributes blocks on the network and creates a structure that supports the deployment of developer APIs, enterprise solutions, and stake protocols.